steer clear, 'cause I lead to the grave.
Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Guess what? Where are we, Dan?
Where are we?
We're back in Wales. It's been a long time coming, 12 weeks, maybe a little, 12, 13 weeks, whatever it's been too long. It is a Saturday night and all day it's been dreadful, but we've been waiting for this. It's a nice low winds. Just check out this water, just look at how lovely that is. And out there we'll explain why a VHF radio is what you need. Hello.
'Cause once I have you in my claws, I'm gonna bite out your heart. You won't bite out my heart. I'll be the one to liberate you from the danger cat, all the danger. I'll free your mind as I line 'em up and shoot 'em down.
Now, the importance of a VHF, especially when being out on the water. One, especially with a handheld, you can keep this on you at all times. So if you do end up coming out of the boat or something happens that another radio can't be used, you've always got it with you. One thing about these radios are, they're fantastic because they float. And if you see that red light on the back of it, especially at night time when you're out, you can see where it is in the water. Even better. But the main feature of a VHF radio compared to, say, a mobile phone is if you are in trouble, a mobile phone you can ring 999 if you have signal. Thank you, Hollyhead Coast Guard. So the difference between this and a phone is you can ring out on the phone to 999 if you have signal. You most probably won't out at sea. On a radio you can call the Coast Guard, but also anybody that's around you on the main channel 16 can hear that message. So if you're in trouble, they can be relayed and they can maybe come to you quicker than any other rescue. So these are an absolute godsend. Plus, you can. Dan's recording me over here.
I'm recording you, recording you.
Plus, you can speak to your mates, tell them where you are. Good signal, just what you need. What do you think, Daniel?
Can we go yet?
He's itching to go. So yeah, there are benefits, and they are fantastic to use.
Golf Bravo, Delta Tango, Delta Tango.
And that's how easy it is to contact your mates out on the water. I think it's time to go. What do you think?
Can we go yet?
Yes, we can.
You better run away, run, and hide in the trees. 'Cause once I have you in my sights, I'll take a shot with ease. Try to sneak up on me, I'll be ready. I'll be the one to liberate you from the danger.
Wow, unbelievable. What are you thinking, Dan? Enjoying yourself?
Oh, I'm looking at this.
Got the islands over there. Coming up to Hell's Mouth and Aberdaron. Got Bawdsey over there. What an absolutely glorious sunset. We've only come across a small pod of dolphins. You cannot beat this place. That looked as good for you as it did for us. It was just insane. There's that separate little groups of them all around. Oh, they're just here. And wow, absolutely stunning. Stunning.